The 2025 Toyota Bajaj Qute continues to carve its niche in the ultra-compact, budget-friendly vehicle market. As a result of Toyota's collaboration with Bajaj Auto, the Qute retains its fundamental design ethos while receiving minor updates aimed at enhancing its urban usability and environmental credentials. The model stands as a unique offering, especially in emerging markets, where affordability, fuel efficiency, and ease of maintenance are critical considerations. Visually, the 2025 Qute maintains its familiar quadricycle silhouette. Its boxy, narrow frame remains optimized for maneuvering through dense traffic and tight alleyways. The subtle restyling, including tweaked headlamps, updated bumpers, and new color options, contributes to a fresher yet unmistakably utilitarian appearance. Though not luxurious by any stretch, its practical form follows its function precisely. Under the hood, the Qute features a modest 216cc single-cylinder engine, now slightly tuned for better emissions compliance with updated Euro 5-like norms. It delivers around 13 horsepower and maintains its top speed of approximately 70 km per hour, making it sufficient for short urban commutes. The engine pairs with a 5-speed sequential gearbox that remains simple to operate and reliable under typical city use. One of the Qute's strongest assets is its fuel efficiency. In 2025, the model continues to offer remarkable mileage, hovering around 35 to 40 km/h, depending on driving conditions. This makes it one of the most economical vehicles to operate, ideal for daily intra-city travel or last-mile delivery purposes. Moreover, the CNG variant offers even lower running costs and reduced emissions, enhancing its appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Inside, the Qute is minimalist to the core. The dashboard features essential instruments only: speedometer, fuel gauge, and basic indicator lights. The materials are hard plastics, built for durability rather than comfort. Seating is tight but functional for up to 4 passengers, assuming a short ride duration. Though it lacks conventional car features like air conditioning or power windows, it still provides a semi-enclosed shelter superior to a two-wheeler. Toyota's involvement has brought slight improvements to quality control and component fit and finish. The doors now shut more securely, and cabin insulation, though still basic, has seen marginal enhancement. The suspension remains tuned for urban roads, offering a relatively firm ride that can become bouncy on uneven surfaces. However, the light steering and tight turning radius keep it nimble and easy to navigate. Safety remains a concern. As a quadricycle, the Qute does not meet standard automotive crash safety norms. It lacks airbags, ABS, or crumple zones. However, seat belts are provided, and the updated chassis construction uses stronger materials. It's meant for low-speed environments where its basic safety profile is deemed acceptable. The Qute's compactness is both a strength and a limitation. On one hand, it's perfect for congested cities and narrow roads. On the other, it can feel cramped and underpowered on highways or inclines. The limited storage space also restricts it to light usage scenarios, such as short passenger trips or small-scale deliveries. Maintenance costs are minimal. Its simple mechanicals and widely available parts ensure low upkeep. Toyota's network helps improve service reach in areas where Bajaj previously had limited presence. Owners can expect long service intervals and inexpensive repairs, contributing to the vehicle's reputation for being inexpensive to own over time. Technology is almost non-existent, with no infotainment system, connectivity, or advanced features. This Spartan approach reduces distractions and makes the vehicle easier to maintain, but it might deter tech-savvy younger buyers. Instead, the Qute's charm lies in its no-nonsense utility. Noise, vibration, and harshness levels are higher than in conventional cars. Engine buzz and road noise seep into the cabin, which may fatigue occupants during extended use. However, when viewed as an alternative to 2- or 3-wheelers, its enclosed structure still offers an upgrade in comfort. The 2025 model introduces marginally better weather protection, with improved door seals and slightly better ventilation. Still, the absence of air conditioning or heating remains a drawback in extreme climates. Bajaj has worked to reduce cabin rattles, but the vehicle remains acoustically basic. Driving the Qute is straightforward. The clutch is light, the gearbox shifts smoothly, and visibility is excellent thanks to the tall windows and upright seating position. Parking is effortless, and drivers of all experience levels can quickly adapt. The brakes, while mechanical, are adequate for the vehicle's weight and speed. Pricing continues to be the Qute's standout feature. Positioned well below even the most affordable hatchbacks, it targets fleet operators, ride-share services, and low-income families. Government incentives for low-emission vehicles further reduce the entry cost in some regions, strengthening its value proposition. In summary, the Toyota Bajaj Qute 2025 remains a purpose-built, ultra-affordable urban transport solution. It doesn't attempt to compete with full-sized cars but offers a safer, more weather-resistant alternative to two-wheelers. Its limitations are clear, but within its narrow design goals, it performs admirably and continues to serve a unique, underserved market segment.